Oh my goodness, look what's open.
Just in time for spring break.
It's the Surfside Beach Pier.
That's right. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today, finally, we're going to take you on a walk on the Surfside Pier. Let's go. Check it out.
Okay, so here's your brand new parking lot. And yes, we are in the on season where you have to pay to park.
That's right. I think it was from March the 1st up to October, maybe?
October 31st, I do believe.
But they may also adopt what Myrtle Beach did and you pay all year. But for right now, we think it's from March the 1st to maybe October the 31st, but you better check it.
That's right.
Alrighty, so it's about 73 degrees and sunny and beautiful. And as you can tell, it's very busy and people are already taking their beach chairs down there to sit on the
It's
ocean.
like summer already.
Summer already again.
So let's see what's up here on this pier. And the pier is located right beside Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel.
Remember how I was scared that your feet weren't going to fit on that?
Yeah.
Fit on the steps.
Look, somebody's already spilled something.
Well,
within a day or two.
Looks like ice cream. Might have melted.
Here's your ocean. And when you get up here, hang on one second. I want to see what it looks like from the pier. Oh, look at that. Hadn't seen that view in a long time.
And they do have an elevator for ADA.
Right.
And the ice cream machine, I'm at the ice cream shop. I don't think it's quite open yet.
This is the flavors.
And they are open on the other side.
Okay.
I think that was just like a little store or something.
That's Perry's Bait and Tackle. Okay. So that should be opening pretty soon. Now let's go take a walk.
Hey, look and see if you can show them in here if they can see it. You can get the camera. Can you?
Can you see inside? It's a vacant building ready to be occupied.
This is going to be the restaurant, right?
Maybe. I do believe it is.
All right, let's do it.
Looks like they need to finish the walls in there. Here's your maintenance office. Let's see, here's your restrooms, right? So on this side where the ramp is, you got your restrooms.
Family restrooms and men and women.
Men and women. And the ramp is completed. Concrete ramp.
Easy walking on your old knees like mine.
Now, I'm not sure about this, but what do you think? They're going to put a patio area?
I would think so, because the word on the street is or the word on the pier is that's supposed to be the restaurant right there. So I'm pretty sure those two double doors that you can come in and out of, and they'll probably have this big door open.
Sliding through and sit out here and look at this beautiful ocean.
That's right. I think it used to be set up like that too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go on the pier. So here's a base deck of it right here. Nice metal rails, wooden rails on the side and metal on the over here by the restaurant area. So inside this front building here, looks like the walls are finished. They just need to paint them maybe. You can't see too much with the glare of the sun. You see the ocean through the window there.
And I'd go ahead and show them these things.
Show them what?
The following are prohibited.
Right. Before we get on to the pier, you need to read this. Smoking, glass containers, pets, fireworks, jumping, bicycles, littering, outside alcohol not purchased on the pier, and feeding the birds. All of those are against the rules. So here's your look in the Garden City from the pier. No fishing allowed. Fishing is coming soon. Oh, wow, look at that.
People are already out here on the beach. And look, I didn't listen to my own rules. I didn't dress in layers today.
What'd you dress like?
Long sleeve turtleneck.
Like it was wintertime. That's right. Here's a nice look back toward Myrtle Beach. So this pier doesn't seem quite as wide as, let's say, the Garden City
No, but
pier.
if you zoom down or just get into that, it won't hurt your feet. It's that composite decking.
Yeah, so it's concrete on one side, composite on the other. Excuse
splinters.
me. So no splinters.
They might get some splinters right here, but
no, this is composite, isn't it? Or,
is it? I don't know.
I don't know. I think that's composite because that's real.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not multicolored either, like the Boardwalk.
That's true. They decided to stick with all one color, but you know, Surfside is like that. They like to approve all the colors before you put them on your houses and everything.
And here's some really hard plastic benches.
Here, get this ocean down here. Look at that. Soon, 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 we'll be right there swimming.
We love hanging out at the ocean. Looks like somebody else is already in there.
Woo! Might have to go down
So it
and
must be,
see what it feels like.
yeah. It's not low tide, it's in between now, I do believe.
Look, there's a bird out there.
Huh. So all along here, they got these little, what are these lights? Sconce lights?
Solar lights.
Yeah, I don't know the hours. We're going to have to find that out.
Well, I know whenever we were at Scotty's Beach Bar the other night that the pier lights down here, they stay on pretty.
They were on at night?
Yeah, it was about 11 o'clock, I think, whenever we were leaving, and they were still on.
Okay. And you got your little stations here to clean the fish.
And some benches.
And things you catch out there. Nothing's on it yet. Nothing to...
Does it smell fishy?
Doesn't smell fishy.
They probably can't fish until the bait and tackle shop opens.
Well, it says this. See, fishing coming soon.
Okay.
Please enjoy the scenery while you can. To the benches. Oh, it opens up here. So it opens up here, and they got the benches not in the middle anymore. See what I'm saying?
I do.
And guess what? A little bit further down, it opens up even wider.
Look how smooth it looks out there.
Yes. It's nice.
It sure is. Nice and beautiful.
So here's your little shelter here. You can get out in the sun.
That's kind of like the one down there at the Myrtle Beach State Park, isn't it? They got that shelter at the end of the pier.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Yeah, they do. We sat up underneath it before. Or I have.
Yeah, you did. So, we don't want to get too far down here in everybody's business. But, if you can see, look, that's a nice structure right there.
Well, if I see a open space, you can turn it off and we can walk up there.
Okay. So here's the end. Looking at the horizon and back to Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle.
So we finally made it to the end right there in the corner. Hey, Beatbox. And I'm going to give you a view back and just an idea of what the little station looks like right there. Like a little gazebo, right? I guess that's what you'd call it. Shelter.
That's to keep the birds off.
Oh, God. That's not good.
It's what?
Good conditioner.
She said the birds need to poop on your head. It's good conditioner. So here's a look back. And I know a lot of people have mentioned it being too short, but it's here. So hopefully everybody adapt and like it. Yeah.
Well, I only see smiling faces.
That's right. They've been waiting since 2016 on this.
Wow.
And it's been a long time coming, and it's still not 100% because they've got to put things in these buildings here. But other than that, I'm happy. How about you?
That's right. I like it.
We can come and walk on it, and we'll check it out at night in a couple weeks, hopefully.
That's right.
Well, that's a look at the brand new Surfside Beach Pier, right here in Surfside Beach. If you found this video enlightening or helpful in any way, how about give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it helps bring and promote more videos like this.
That's right. Until next time, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video. Yeah.
Whew. Look how nice it is.
It's nice and cool under here.
This is a lot of concrete.
Sure is. I guess you had to take that much because of the climb.
Okay. So you got your bike holder place right here. See that, where you can ride your bikes in?
I do.
There's your elevator right there that Bunny Bee was talking about.